So today we'll be discussing about Copper for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you can search for Copper for workflows. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. Here it is. You can choose all of them as well. Choose this one, continue with that, allow and install. In a moment it will be installed. Here we go. Let's just move back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Copper for workflows. Basically, we have to configure it into our automations and workflow builders. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose the sub account. Here we are on the sub account now, and we have to find for the app configuration in the navigation bar down below, as you can see. And here you have to find for Copper. On the first place, you have to just get it configured. To do that, so you have to create an account and find for the settings to get the API keys here and generate the API key and copy paste here. You have to basically create that account and you have to enter that email here, and the token here, the token will be the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Copper account. As you can see, I have already set up that account, and after setting up, you can just find for the settings in the navigation bar, and the next navigation bar down below you can find for the integrations, and let's just move forward towards the API keys, and from here you can generate your API key. Copy paste this API key from here to there. The key will be pasted here and the email will be pasted above. Below you can enter your email on the same account on which we have created the Copper account. Submit with that, and after that we will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and check on the actions are working correctly or not. Here it is. Choose this one, and from here you can just create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder now. Let's just create a new action. Find for Copper here, Copper for workflows. Here it is. These are the variety of actions you can see in your workflow builder. You can just add these actions and create your own automations. Let's just create one of them and let's just create a task. I am entering this one because I am just setting an example at the moment. Save this action and create some notes with that to update your contacts. Add the notes and find for custom values down below. You can find for the Copper workflows. Create task, and we had chosen the name. Add some text with that. And now we will be, after saving this over, we will be just testing our workflows. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, with the notes, both of the actions are executed successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.